My name is Shastri. I am the Country Graphic Design Manager for IKEA US, and I've been with IKEA for 17 years. My first IKEA memory is Culture Day, where we got to do a training, and instead of it being kind of like, here's the history of IKEA, they gave us the food. We got to try herring, Swedish meatballs, every Swedish delicacy. Some of them were a little sus at the time, but we got through it. And I think that is one of the things where I really appreciated how I was introduced to the company. So that was a really fun day for me. I was going to school in Queens at the time, and they only guarantee housing for the first year. So my second year I had to find an apartment, and I needed a job. So one of my friends was working at IKEA, and they recommended IKEA to me. So I went down, I interviewed for a job called logistics admin. I didn't even know what logistics was at the time. That was a new word to me. So I found out that apparently it was how we got all of our goods from across the country into the store. And they trusted me somehow to do this job. And I think that was one of my favorite things about the company is that they look at people, they don't necessarily look at the exact skill set you have. So that was really exciting for me. When I realized that I wanted to be with IKEA long term, it was when I saw the width of jobs that were available within the company. From the outside, you don't know how many jobs are available. And once you get inside, then you can start to see, okay, here are the different options that I can choose for my career. And you really get supported along the way to find out which path is the best one for you. So I started to explore and look into things and spoke to other people, found some mentors, and really then started to develop what my career path was going to be. The IKEA product that's the most meaningful to me are my collection of cutting boards, the wooden ones that we have that you can cut or serve on them. Whenever people come over, I love to serve, I love to cook, so these are a way that I get to share something with other people. So they definitely get moved around the house a lot. Whether we're entertaining in the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, there's something that are very versatile. So the opportunities that I've had since working at IKEA have definitely been around travel. Travel is, of course, something that everyone loves to do at this point, but early in my career, it wasn't even on my mind until I got the opportunity to travel to Sweden for the first time and to see IKEA at the hub and at the roots where it started. And then from there, I was able to travel to different countries on different projects. So I think just being able to explore the world through the IKEA lens has been very rewarding. One thing that I would like people to know about IKEA is just how limitless the options are when it comes to working here. You don't have to start in one department and stay there for the rest of your life. I think that's kind of a mentality that I had when I started to get into my career, is that you have to follow this linear path, but I've been able to kind of go up, down, sideways, and kind of choose where I wanted to go. So I think that's something that's really cool about this company. Instead of having to look for another company, you can find another job within this company that satisfies whatever it is that you like to do.